I've used it in therapy. Guy came to me with erection problems, and this is going to sound funny, okay? I said, all right, now fantasize till you get an erection. Okay, now stop. I didn't see it, it was on Zoom. What are you thinking? And again, switch it on, fantasize till you get an erection. Do you have an erection now? No, fantasize some more, keep on going. Yes? Okay, now stop. And we did that over and over and over, that was the whole session. It was a 1-hour Zoom session. And that's all we did, the whole session, and it fixed his problem. Because he learned that the erection comes from within, from imagination. And that's something, I don't know why so many people haven't gotten the memo. Okay, they do all kinds of things from outside. Pharmaceuticals, supplements, injections, this nutrition, this method, that method. How about good old imagination? So that was awesome. That was one of the best things I've ever done, one of the best coaching sessions ever, you know. It worked so well. I'd never done it before, so let's try. Get an erection, stop it. Get an erection, stop it. It's great. The power of imagination.
Was there a happy ending?
No, there wasn't. I hope not.